presentation and for answering the clarifications from our members. Okay, so for our next presenter, we have Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprises Private Limited. Do we have sir here? Alright. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to present your technology. The clicker is on the podium. Alright, you have 5 minutes. The timer starts now.
Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprise, and special thanks to our founder, Chairman Dr. Hiremath, and our mentor, Dr. C.S. Hiremath. Basically, we are also working with one of the world's first free rural medical college and rural hospital, where we are trying to bring accessible healthcare. We have some of India's best institutions, Dr. Uma Nambiar from the Indian Institute of Science. We are also one of the sponsors and investors of IFIA, the International Federation for India. We are trying to provide a solution for cardiovascular artificial heart, the world's first human artificial heart, which is going to basically make it affordable to the poor people. Today in the US, in America, we have an artificial heart called HeartMate, which costs almost $120,000 US. Our solution is going to be at the cost of $15,000 US. So 85% discount for the world's artificial heart. And we as a company are the company behind this, supporting this, investing in this, and have a technology team. What is the opportunity? The opportunity is heart failure is a leading crisis. You have almost 64 million people worldwide, as per European Society of Cardiology, who get heart failure. When I say heart failure, the heart stops pumping. By 2035, more than 130 million adults, or 45% of US population, is going to have cardiovascular disease. The expected cost of cardiovascular disease because of heart failure is $1.1 trillion, right? And we look at the direct and indirect medical costs. So what is our solution? We are creating what is known as the world's first free artificial heart. You see the heart which is here. Basically, this is implanted into the human heart. There is a microcontroller which goes. I wear a belt which then has a pouch here, and in that pouch I have a controller and a virtual reality which shows how my heart is pumping. So we are providing economic accessibility, simplifying the design, and biocompatibility. It's made of titanium, right? So this is the actual artificial heart pump. This is the human heart. That pump will go in here whenever the human heart stops pumping. There is a patient controller. He can also see it on a tablet in the hospital. He can see how the heart is functioning, right? Now, we have competitors, as I said, Abbott. Abbott is a product which is in US, which is called HeartMate. And it is not biventricular. Our product is biventricular, and it has both left ventricular and right ventricle. There are 4 chambers in the heart, and left and right ventricle pumping is enabled in our product versus all the remaining 10, 11 competitors. As I said, we are going to be the world's most affordable, most advanced artificial heart. And our market potential, we aim to reach a market potential of $2.25 billion with an annual growth rate of 8.62%. Where are we today? We have completed 20 animal trials in Australia in our company, CardioBionic MedTech, and we have an entire AI and AI engine which is working behind the scene, because before we implant the artificial heart, we need to use augmented virtual reality to see the fitment of CardioBionic's titanium-based heart, because each one's artery and each one's physiology is different. So CardioBionic MedTech is basically being supported by all these companies and also by IFI. And we are trying to build the immediate need for investment for our company is around $2 million, because we have completed almost the animal studies. We are getting ready for the first human trial of the world's most affordable artificial heart, which is going to happen by early next year. 2026 February is when the artificial human heart will be implemented. We have already given our studies to Palamner Institute in Hyderabad, Hanover Medical School in Hanover, Germany, and 10 pumps are already being bench tested for regulatory requirements. So we are aiming for the first in man, as I said, in the first quarter of 2026, followed by initial pilot of 10 patients. And thanks to our mentor, Dr. C.S. Hiremath, who's sitting there. Yesterday, the government of Philippines, the Philippine Heart Institute, has promised us that they will participate in the human trial for the world's first, most affordable artificial heart. And this is what we are going to do. We are going to shape together the future, and we are very happy to collaborate here. Thank you to PhillyNext, thank you to TAPI, and thanks for this opportunity for our pitch. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Please remain on stage for the question and answer portion. Okay, judges, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
Afternoon. So regarding your clinical trials, you've done it on animals.
Yes.
How long have you already done a longitudinal approach in order to really experiment how
Yes,
long
we have
the
done on
effect is?
sheep. We've done on sheep in America, in Australia. We have done on bulls. So large animals, small animals have been tested successfully, and they have lived for almost a period of 1.5 to 2 months, which is a very good benchmark, right? So we have successfully completed in Australia. Now we are moving into India. I'm also happy to tell you that FDA USA has shortlisted this product. The inventor is our mentor, Dr. K.R. Balakrishnan, who's the world's topmost heart lung transplants. He's already doing heart transplants in the world, 1,000 plus. So the US FDA has invited him on priority basis to get acceleration for the US FDA approval for animal trials. So while we have done Australia, we are going to do India. Already we have done 2 in India. We are going to do this in FDA also in the US before next year. So all of this is going to happen very quickly. We have met all the standards, Australian, Indian, and on the way to US, which is the highest. Yeah, and we, as I said, we have the best heart lung transplant surgeon in the world who's the inventor of this. Yeah.
And the additional question I have would be the advantage it has over the normal heart transplant.
So normal heart transplant does not give longevity because different people, look at me, I am more than 220 pounds. I'm sure my body physique and physiology and heart, if I die tomorrow and I give my heart as a donation, right, for transplant, first of all, it's not easily available, right? You don't get access to human heart so easily, as my mentor, Dr. C.S. Hiremath, will tell you in his presentation next. It is very difficult to salvage and store the human heart. Secondly, the adaptability or acceptability of a human heart from one human to another, it is not always successful. Whereas the artificial heart pump is a consistent device which is tested on multiple animals and multiple humans, and it has better bio